Hey tubers, Ghost Wolf 86 here at the river with the freighter Algoma Niagara. So we're going to follow the Algoma Niagara as she goes up the river. You can faintly see her name. The sun's out and the sun's shining on this early day. So we're going to follow the Algoma Niagara as she goes up the river. I like to wave to the ships to see if I can get a salute, but sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. She is from the Algoma Central Corporation and is an Equinox class freighter. That's about all I know on the freighter. And she's from St. Catharines. We're going to follow her. She goes up the river to her destination. Well, thank you much. Have a great day. Goodbye, and enjoy the video of the freighter Algoma Niagara. Please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Who knows what freighter I'll come up with next. Also, tubers, I do take freighter requests, so if you have a freighter you want me to film, I'll do my best to catch it. Alright. Goodbye once again.